Hello YouTube. Whew, look at this. It's coming down hard in Virginia. It started coming down hard quickly. Look at this. I was sitting right here on these here steps. I was asking God for rain, and this is what we got. Holy moly, look at all that rain. There's the clouds right there. Got a little opening over there. But it's still coming down hard, even though we got a little small opening in the clouds there. So, holy cow, look at that. Flood over there. Not to worry. The ground's going to absorb it. That's what we got that for. Look at all that. Beautiful, isn't it?